Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm thrilled to share with you some incredible tricks that you can perform with Bing AI. In this video, I will talk about a little known feature called Bing Sidebar, which can help you optimize your Bing AI experience. To access this sidebar, you need to install Microsoft Edge Insider Dev. So you can go to any browser, search for Microsoft Insider, you'll get this link. You can download this, and once you restart your browser, you will have this sidebar options available. So once you click on this, you have these three options: chat, compose, and insights. Insights will give you a latest news and other stuff. Compose has options to write paragraph, emails, blog, and ideas. Then you have chat options where you can ask simple questions to Bing AI. So let's ask something. Who won FIFA World Cup in 2022? So here we have all the latest data from internet. So let's see, it is searching for the result. In ChatGPT, we cannot access any recent data, but here we have the data from the internet. So let's have a look. So you can see here, according to news, it will give the result as well. Bing.com, Argentina won the FIFA World Cup 2022, beating 4-2 on penalties. The most powerful feature of this Bing AI sidebar is that it is able to read the content of the page and it can give you answers based on that. So let's go ahead and ask some questions. So this is my YouTube page. I'll go ahead and ask details. Give me more information about this YouTube page. So let's see what we are going to get. So it has generated a few information. So what is this channel about? Who owns this channel? And the number of subscriber right now. So let's ask another question. Who is the creator of this channel? And let's wait. So it is able to highlight, from the content. The creator of this channel is Asutosh Srivastava. Let's have a look at some more example. So consider that you are on Wikipedia page and you can go and click on this sidebar and you can see that, it is able to pull details even before we ask any kind of question. So it has taken all the details from this page and it has given us some summary. So to clear the chat, you can go ahead and click on this new topic. Let's try the compose section. We can ask write an email about sick leave, and you can select tone here. So let's select professional, and I want to write an email format, and I want it as a sort, or let's keep it as sort and generate draft. So we have our email generated within a second. So let's try to write some blog post. Write a blog about how AI can improve our life. Let's keep it as informational, keep it as medium, and generate draft. So we have our blog ready and it has written a lot of content uh, after selecting length as medium. So you can copy it from here. Before I end the section today, I wanted to show you that the content which was generated using Bing AI, we are able to pass this human content score and get up to 70%, which is really good. So the article length was somewhere around 3271 character, and based on that I'm able to get 70% score.
If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.